All right, in this video, I'm going to attempt the impossible. I want to clean up all these wires, and they're all basically USB wires for the most part. And I have a power hub right here that I use to charge a lot of my devices. You see I'm charging bike lights, I'm charging my GoPros, I'm charging closet lights and so on. And it's just kind of crazy. I also have wires going to my Mac Mini computer here. Not too sure how I'm going to sort those, but that being said, I got something that I think is going to help out a lot. And here's what I got on Amazon, of course. And let me show you these babies. And we're going to see if we can get these hooked up. All right, these are power hubs, and they have USB and AC, and they actually attach to the desk. Now you're going to need a flat side to screw it on, but what I'm going to do is probably put one in the back there, and then maybe put one on the side. I think I might need two of them, and I do have two that come in a box. They come in a set, and they come with the screws too. I can maybe catch, let's see, 2 screws on the top here and drive that in. Not too sure if that's going to be tight or not. Tight enough. If not, I'm going to have to put a few blocks of wood in here, pad it out so it matches that, and then do that. But let's see, and then I'll sort things out, plug it in, and see if this is a feasible fix for this massive wires. I know there's a lot of you out there probably have a similar bird's nest to this, and you're like grasping at straws to try and find out a remedy. So I'm going to put 2 of these babies here, and we're going to see what it looks like. So let's get started. There's 2 holes that cover each one. I'm going to keep them next to each other. And just as a side note, these are 10 amps each, not 15, which is not too bad. And I'm not too sure if I'm going to plug them into the wall outlet or into the power strip. That would also work as a surge protector too, which would probably be a good idea. So I'm going to fire in 4 screws, and then we're going to plug some stuff in and see how that works. Alright, these are the screws that came with it, and as you see, they're drill screwed, so they have drill tips just in case it's going to go into metal, and might even help putting these in a little bit easier. So let's get this ready here. Alright, not bad. By the way, I'm using my Milwaukee M12. Love this driver. Looks nice and tight. It seems to be looking pretty firm from this point of view. Let me put in this last one. It's tight. All right. Yeah, you push on that, and actually some of the force is going down, but it looks like it's nice and tight. Let's try a USB and see. Yep, nice smooth in and out. Okay, same here. And then we're going to try a plug and see. Actually, I have a plug here because they got these safety outlets here, and sometimes you got to press really hard to get the plug in, but it's not bad at all. Look at that, slides right in. Now the only caveat I would say about this, maybe not the only one, but is these are spaced close together. So I'm gonna put the desk back against the wall and straighten this out and see if we can get some neatness here. All right, so we got everything all straightened up and cleared, and these two items make a huge difference. Let me straighten the desk out, it looks a little crooked. So I have 3 USBs plugged in here. I got my bike lights charging, got the closet light charging. I plugged my iPhone into this at night. Didn't find the need to plug in anything at 110 yet, but they're right here, very convenient. I don't have to like bend down underneath there and plug stuff in, or underneath there. So looking good, and I think that was a great addition. It'll probably help a lot of you out there if you have the same problem. I may look into a little tower for my USB hub for the computer itself, not power, for data, because once you start plugging stuff in here, it gets a little messy. I can push this in a little bit. And so there you go. There's a few other things that I've done that probably could help you out. Something else as far as organizing, I had a power strip on the floor here before. Let me turn this light on. And it was kind of messy on the floor. So I got a power strip that you can actually mount to the wall. And it makes everything a lot neater, as you can see. I have a video on that also in the description. So there you go. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Appreciate it if you give a like and a thumbs up and subscribe and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.